Now, the loudness of sounds depends upon the factor is first amplitude. More amplitude have more loudness. Second, distance. Loudness inversely proportional to a square of distance. Third, density. More density, more loudness in the medium. Fourth, shape of the vibrates object. Fifth, frequency. The loudness depends on the frequency. At the same intensity may frequency or loudness different. 6. Resonant. 7th, quality or timbre. That's all the factor on which loudness depends. Now, tone. We can say the solo of frequency of sound known as tone. Now, the range of frequency from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz is known as frequency range of hearing in human. Simply we can say 20 Hz to 20 kHz is the range of hearing of human. The sound which we are able to hear is called audible sound. ऐसे साउंड जिसे हम लोग सुन सकते हैं वो ऑडिबल साउंड कहलाता है. The sound of frequency less than 20 Hz are known as infrasonic और subsonic. ऐसे साउंड जिसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी 20 Hz से कम होती है उसे इंफ्रासोनिक और सबसोनिक कहते हैं. Now, the sound of frequency higher than the 20,000 Hz or 20 kHz are known as ultrasonic sound. ऐसे साउंड जिसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी 20 kHz से ज़्यादा होगी वो कहलाएगी अल्ट्रासाउंड्स या अल्ट्रासोनिक साउंड्स. Now, due to its very high frequency, ultrasound has a much greater penetrating power than the ordinary sounds.